I guess here most of them get answer 4 for this problem in wrong order. Here 64 divided by, here 2 power 2 is 4 times 2 plus 2 in bracket. Here 64 divided by 4 times, here 2 plus 2 is 4. Here 64 divided by, here 4 times 4 is 16. Here 64 divided by 16 is 4 is the wrong answer. As per the sort of operations PEMDAS, this 4 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 64 divided by 2 power 2 times, here bracket is 2 plus 2 is 4. Next priority is the exponent. Here we have the exponent, so we have to do this exponent before this operation. Here 64 divided by 2 power 2 is 4 times, here 4. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one, 64 divided by 4. So we have to do this 64 divided by 4 before this multiplication. Here this is 4 times this 4. Now 4 times 4 is 16 is the correct answer.